Hi. Good morning, everyone. So, very good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you're all doing well. So, we'll be continuing our discussions on this, right? Concepts of so concepts of ESE through which one these questions, right? So, we'll be continuing that part. So, yesterday we could not do the class, na? So now we'll be doing it. Okay, right. So, all of you had your tea, coffee, hot water, juice, breakfast, everything. Right. So, we'll be doing now this one. Correct. 1 second. I think there is some. It is not visible properly, na? 1 second. Now it should be visible properly. Is it visible now properly, everyone? Okay. Right. So here we'll be going for this. You can say. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? So all of you, get ready for all of you. Get ready to crack. Get ready to crack, all of you, right? RP Civil is the code you have to use, right? Whenever you are subscribing to the plus and iconic courses, right? So this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use, right? And these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy, and at present those who are willing to prepare for this GATE and ESE 2025 and 2026, right? This wonderful opportunity is going on, all of you. This wonderful opportunity is going on, everyone, right? So what is that wonderful opportunity, you can say? So you'll be getting flat 50% off on your subscription amount, right? So this offer is valid up to 17th February only, right? So don't miss this offer, everyone. So after 17th February, this offer may not be valid. Utilize this opportunity. Utilize this opportunity, and which one? Crack ESE, GATE and everything, right? Okay. Right. So 6 months subscription, 12 months, 15 months, 24 months, and whatever the duration we are taking, we'll be having this discount. And what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil is the code you have to use, right? And this for GATE, CSIT and DSA placement subscription also, the similar kind of offer, that is your 50% off on your subscription amount is going on now. This is Ummeed batch, you can say, right? So for this Ummeed batch, for this GATE ESE PSU's 2025 civil has started already on February 9th. So irrigation engineering and building materials are the subject started, right? Don't miss these, all of you. So what is the referral code you have to use? Here also RP Civil, right? Sangram batch for this 2026, it is also started on February 9th, right? Don't miss these, all of you. So RP Civil is the code you have to use everywhere, okay? Right. So this placements batch also, right? For this placements batch also, it is started on which one is February 9th only for 2025 people, right? So at 6 p.m. it was started with probability, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RPC. Here Sangram batch for this 2026 also it was started. So use the code RPCivil and get all these benefits and start preparing for these, right? Now when you are taking this iconic subscription, these are all the books you will be getting home delivered within 15 days of your subscription, right? So when you are taking this and when you are going for this civil subscription, so if you are unable to pay this entire fee at a time, you can go with which one? This no cost EMI option also available, right? That with 0% interest. And these are all GATE 2023 toppers. These are all ESE 2023 toppers, all of you, right? Next time you have to get your name here, right? These are the plus courses going on at present, right? What are the plus courses? Right, full length course on this highway engineering every day 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'm taking, and full length course on this engineering mechanics, right? This engineering mechanics also I'm taking at 11 a.m. to this 12:30 p.m. right? So this free courses, right? What are the free courses going on? Concepts of ESE through questions, right? Transportation engineering, So 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. concepts of ESC through surveying, right? 8:30 to 9:30, right? Both will be doing, right? Parallelly, right? So alternate days will be doing these classes. Now, now concepts of ESC through questions, right? The surveying part 3, right? I'll be starting. So here, start selecting the answer of you. Write your options here, everyone. Write your options, all of you, everyone. First question, write the question number and write the option, right? Again, I forgot to bring the timer. So it is better you should have brought the timer so that what will happen, you can be having idea. Okay, no problem. Write your options here, everyone. Everyone, not answered, right? Okay, so we'll go for this question. Right, first question. Right, what is it you can say? To avoid this large centering error with very short legs, right? Observations are generally made, right? How you'll be making the observations? To all chain pins, we have to make the observations. Pin means that pegs will be there, na? By using the optical system. So to a target fixed on the theodolite tripod on which the theodolite may be fitted easily, right? So which one is better? Tell me, right? Avoid the large centering error with the short legs, right? So the legs are short legs, right? So legs are very short, right? If the legs are larger, it is easy to which one? This adjust them, right? So minute adjustments are possible. But if the legs are short, even for small or movement of your legs also, right? There will be large displacement happening, right? How can you avoid that? How can you avoid this? Tell me. So to target a fixed point on the theodolite tripod on which the theodolite may be fitted easily, right? So which one is correct? Tell me if you just observe. The observations are generally made, right? We need to make the observations to all chain pins, usually by optical system for centering of the theodolite, right? Using that optical system, can we able to do the centering easily? Is it that optical system? No. So here what is it you can say? To target a fixed point, right? On the theodolite tripod on which the theodolite may be fitted easily, right? Like that. So we need to fix the point, right? We need to fix the, so target will be fixed on which one? This point, right? Short legs are there. So that what will happen? So we need to identify the target easily means, right? You keep one target on this, right? You keep on this target so that you can observe it from these other locations easily. That is what we have to go for, right? Now, so different grades are joined together by a, right? So grades means what? Gradients, na? So these different gradients are joined together to form which one? This vertical curve or summit curve you consider. This is your first gradient G1. This is your second gradient G2, right? So compound curve, transition curve, reverse curve and vertical curves, right? Which curves are formed? You can say that reverse curves are formed. You can say if you just observe, right? Okay. This third question if you just observe. So which of the following methods, right? Are you answering or not? Nobody? Nobody is answering. Right. So here, which of the following methods of theodolite traversing is suitable for locating the details which are far away from the transit stations, right? Previous one. Right. Look. Yeah, these are the two questions I have done just now. Okay, look. Got it? Right. So this one, third question, try to answer. Okay, write your answer. Question number, write question number and answer. I'll wait. What is the answer for this third question? Right. Part 3b. Yes, correct. Right, yes, correct. Right. Which of the following methods as theodolite traversing is suitable for locating the details which are far away from the transit stations, right? The details are very much far away. Measuring the angles and distances from one transit station. So if you are only saying that these are far away, right? From one station, if you are observing, right, are they visible? They are not visible now. Measuring the angles to the point from at least two stations, right? If you are going for more than or equal to two stations now, then what happens, right? Far away from points, right? Nearby these far away points, you take one more station, so that what will happen? All details will be covered up now, right? Like that, right? Fourth one, what is your answer? Tell me. Fourth one, select the answer. Write your answers directly, okay? Whatever the questions visible on that. Fourth question. What is the answer for fourth question? Fourth, yeah. Okay, Indian numbers you are using. Very good part. Right. The line of collimation method of reduction of levels does not provide a check on, right? So what is that? Line of collimation method of reduction of levels, right? Reduce the levels, right? So line of collimation method of reduction of levels, right? Does not provide a check on, right? Collimation method means that a height of instrument, na? Height of instrument will not have check on this, which one? Whenever it is a collimation method is nothing but your height of instrument method, na? If you just observe it. Height of instrument method means that what is that you can have sum of the back sides minus the sum of the four sides na is equal to which one? These intermediate sides are not included na. Intermediate sides are not included. That is equal to that LRL minus this FRL, right? Last point reduce level minus this first point reduce level, right? So now rise and fall method, right? What is it you can say? That a rise and fall method, if you just update, what is it you can say? Same. Sum of the back sides minus the sum of the four sides equal to that last point reduce level minus this first point reduce level. It is also equal to which one? This is sum of these rises minus the sum of the falls na. So sum of these rises and these falls are there means, right? What is it you can say? Sum of these rises and these falls are there means, right? What is it you can say? What is it you can say? What is it? That intermediate sites properties are also included na. Intermediate sites properties are also included in this, is na, right? So only rise and fall method is including the check on this intermediate sites, right? This height of instrument method or collimation method is not including, right? Intermediate sites are not included, right? Four sides, back side, reduce levels are there, right? Is na. Last point reduce level, first point reduce level, right? Now select the answers for these questions. Fifth question. Fifth question, sixth question. Try to select the answers, all of you. So all mixing we are doing, okay? All mixing questions we are doing, so that what will happen? It will be easy, na? We can cover many questions, right? Alok 5D. Yes, part the 5D. Which of the following methods of contouring is most suitable for a hilly terrain, right? Which one is most suitable for a hilly terrain? Direct method, square method, cross-sectional method, and tachymetric method, right? So direct method means, right, what is that we'll do? So this is the area, right, will be, this is the station, right? So we'll be taking the reduced levels of each and every point, right? Can you able to take like that in case of hilly terrain? It is impossible. If it is a plain terrain, that too with a smaller area, it is possible, right? Square method means, right, first we'll be taking these points, right, along this will be taking, right? So in this manner, right? In case of this hilly terrain, it is possible, not like that, right? Cross section method also not possible, you can say, right, like that. So tachymetric method, what you can do here, this is your hill na. Here we'll keep the staffs, and here from this point onwards we'll be taking the reading staff readings and we'll be getting the reduced levels, right? So option D will be the correct answer na. So now sixth question, what is the answer? Sixth question, everyone. Select the answer for the sixth question, all of you. Write your answer. Sixth question B. Right. The chord of a curve lesser than peg interval is known as, right? So what is that chord of a curve lesser than peg interval, right? Generally that peg interval will be taking it as 30 meters like that, na? So these are called as your, which one? This is sub chord, right? There is no chord called as your small chord, right? These are called as your sub chord, right? So peg interval means that a chain length, right? It's not for every chain or 30 meters or 20 meters or whatever it is, that you will be calling it as which one? This is a normal chord, okay? That is normal chord. This is sub chord. Now, seventh question, write the answer. So all mix I am doing, so that what will happen? Some questions may strike for you. Right. Seventh question, so write the answer. Nobody is writing seventh question answer. Seventh question and eighth question answers. Write one by one. Immediately you can write, no problem. Question numbers and answers. No answer from anyone? Okay. The size of this plane table is, right? What is the size of this plane table? You can go for it. This is your 600 by the 750 millimeter. Na? That is your 600 by the 750 millimeters. You can say, right? Like that. Eighth question. Eighth question. Select the, write the answer, all of you. Eighth question. Write your answer, everyone. Eighth question. Eighth one. Hello, someone? Right. So that a reduced, if the reduced bearing of a line is north 60 degree, reduced bearing means what, right? Eighth also be, right? Reduced bearing is nothing but your quadrantal bearing. Now, so what is that reduced bearing? Quadrantal bearing or not quadrantal bearing? So, and the length is 100 meters. Then the latitude and departure respectively for the line AB will be, right? So, latitude and departure for this line AB will be, right? What is it you can say? So if you are having this north 60 degree west, right? And north 60 degree west means this is your north, this is your west, na? North 60 degree west, you can say, just right? This is your line AB we are having, okay? So with respect to this north, right, how much angle it is maintaining? That is your 60 degrees it is maintaining, na? So latitude is nothing but your northing or this easting, westing, tell me. Departure, north, latitude is nothing but your this northing or this southing, you can say. So departure is nothing but your easting or this westing, right? So here, what is that latitude? You can say, right, latitude is nothing but your which one? Here, that is that angle, na? This is your latitude, you can say, this is your departure, you can say, just right? Is it right? No. So what is that latitude? You consider this is your northing means positive only, no? Northing will be taken as positive, southing will be taken as negative, right? Here departure also easting will be taken as positive, westing will be taken as negative, right? Plus what is it you can say? Plus what is it you can say? 100 cos 60, na? So cos 60 is nothing but your sin 30, right? So that is your plus 50 into that 1 by 2, right? Sorry, plus 100 into that 1 by 2, na? Plus 100 into that 1 by 2, right? What is it you can say? That is your plus 50 meters is that latitude you are getting, right? What is the departure if you just observe? The departure will be negative now because it is westing side, right? West side means departure negative. So minus which one is 100, which one is sin 60? 100 sin 60, you can say, right? Like that, right? Is it clear? So what is that value? It is correct or it is wrong? So minus 100 into, right, minus 100 into, right, what is it you can say? So sin 60 is nothing but your root 3 by 2 now. So how much it value? How much this value comes to be? Tell me. How much this value comes to be? Tell me. How much this value comes to tell me? What is it? Latitude is nothing but your cos alpha, na? Departure is nothing but your sun alpha, right? How much it comes to be? Minus 86.6 it comes to be. So which option it will be? Option C will be the correct answer or not? Option C will be the correct answer, right? You have to be careful, right? Like that. Is it clear? 86.5. Okay, you have to be careful. Sir, how to solve this in ESE, right? We don't have calculator, na? Yes, no, we don't have calculator, na? This is how much? Minus 50 into, what is it you can say? Minus 50 into, or if you don't want to solve like that easily, how can you solve that? That is root 3 will be how much you can say? That minus 100 into, right? What is it? Root 3. Root 3 is nothing but your 1.732, na? 1.732 by this 2, right? What is it you can say? 0.8, right? So 1.6, right? So 1.6 means this 1 will be left, right? 13 is there means so 2 6s 12, na? Yes, no, 2 6s, right? What is it you can say? Minus 8.666 into 100 means minus 86.6, na? So directly we can solve it, or not? Directly we can solve it, right? Yes, na? So this is how you are getting, right? Yes, correct. Nitin Kumar, correct. Like that you have to solve it, right? Next is like ninth question, right? What is the answer? Tell me, everyone. Ninth question, what is the answer? Are yaar. Are. Okay, that typing. Okay, don't worry. Forget about this one. This is 10th question, right? That options are missing. Don't worry. Okay, let it be. 10th question you answer. This 10th question you answer. 9th question you leave it. And 10th question you answer. All of you. Yeah, actually those are typed in white color, so that's why those are copied while copy paste. Now these options they have come in white color, so that's why I could not access them. These are not shown, right? Okay, 10th question you try to answer. If I select them and highlight them, then they are visible. Okay, let it believe it. 10th question. Equation, actually this is equation of this Lamin scale, right? Okay, 10th question, what is the answer? Tell me. Contour interval is, yes, contour interval is which one? This inversely proportional to the scale of this map, na? So no, inversely proportional to the scale of this map, right? Contour interval is inversely proportional to the scale of this map, you can say, right? More larger scale is there means, right? What is that you can say? Less smaller contour interval is also sufficient enough, right? So this area 10th 11 12 also missing. Okay, let it be. This 13th question, try to answer. What is that? Okay, those slides were missing and some okay, let it be, no problem. We'll solve whatever the questions available. Solve this 13th question. 13th and 14th question, try to answer everyone. 13C, is it all? Check lines or these proof lines in chain surveying are essentially required to plot the chain lines, to plot the offset, to indicate the accuracy, right? These are check lines. The name itself is telling that, right? Contour interval is nothing but your which one? This is a reduced level, a difference of reduced level between the two adjacent contour lines, right? Is now, suppose if you just observe, this is a contour map, right? What is it you can say? So here this is the, its the reduced level is your 90 meters. It's the reduced level is which one? This is 80 meters. It's the reduced level is which one? This is 70 meters, right? So what is the contour interval? You can say, if you just observe, contour interval is your 10 meter, right? Level difference between the adjacent contour lines. Okay, that is what. Now 14. So check lines to check the accuracy of your work only. No, if it is not accurate, right, to make it accurate or not. Yes or no? If it is not accurate, right, we have to make it accurate. You can say it like that. There is a purpose only or not? That is a purpose only you are having. Right. 14th question. Tell me, what is the answer? Everyone? Anyone? 14th question. Somebody answer. Somebody answer the 14th question, right? Part C. Anybody? Anyone else? This number only, right? Whatever the number it is present, that number only you take it. Anyone? Any other answer? After fixing the plane table to the tripod, the main operations which are all needed at each point of this each plane table station is, right? So what is it you can say? First leveling we have to do, or orientation we have to do, or centering we have to do, right? First which activity we have to do, tell me? First which one we have to do? First we need to do the centering, na? Yes or no? First we need to do the centering, then after that leveling, yes or no? Then after that orientation, right? So what is it you can say? First three will come, then one will come, then two will come, right? 3, 1, 2, right? 3, 1, 2 means which option is correct? 3, 1, 2 means that option C only correct answer, na? So now this 14th question, right? 3, 1, 2, right? First is centering we have to do. After centering we have to do the leveling, whether this is exactly flat or not, right? How can you do that? So this is your plane table, na? This is your plane table, right? What do you do? You just roll a pencil here, right? If it is moving like this, na, it is not straight, right? If it is not straight, right? If pencil is not moving, na, it is a straight level, you can say, right, like that. Okay, so that is what. So which one? Centering, leveling, and this orientation, right? After centering and leveling are over, then only we have to look at the points. Orientation means, right? Got it? Now 15 questions, select the answer of you. Yes, correct, Abhishek Prakash. 15th question, try to sell. 15th question, ready the answer, all of you? Angles, actually, okay. 15th question, select the answer, all of you? Right. So fore bearing of AB is which one? This is theta AB, right? Back bearing of this AB is theta BA, right? Okay, that is MBA. Okay, so this is correct. All are correct only. Yes, na? So whenever you are having this line AB, right? Whenever you are having this line AB means, right? What is that you can say? This is your north. So fore bearing means, right? This is your theta at AB only, no? S and A to B. Back bearing of AB means, right? It is measured from the opposite side, right? That is your BA, right? That is also correct, right? Fore bearing and back bearing are differ by 180 means, right? What is it you can say? All are correct now. All these options are correct or not? So ABC all are correct or not? ABC all are correct, you can say. Yes, na? Yes. 16th question, right? What is the answer? Select the answer. 16th question, everyone. Because already we have covered numerical questions, na? So I thought of covering theoretical questions. So that's why I have brought these theoretical questions here, okay? So that at least you may get some questions possible. 16th question, what is that? Tomorrow I will take transportation engineering, okay? Sixteenth question, and what is the answer, everyone? Part C. The random errors tend to accumulate proportionally to the number of operations involved, reciprocal of these operations involved, square root of this number of operations involved, cube root of this number of operations involved, right? Which one you can say? Right, what is it? Yes, square root of this number of operations involved, right? That is correct, right? Square root of this number of operations involved, right? Is no? Correct. No. 17th, right? What is it you can say? 17th and 18th, try to answer. 17th and 18th questions, right? Both one after the other, immediately you answer, no problem. No need to wait until I am asking, okay? Because two questions are there in the same slide means you can answer immediately. Anyone? 17th and 18th, 17D Parth. Any other answer by others? Direct method of contouring, the process of locating or identifying points lying on the contour line is called as, right, ranging. What is the ranging? Ranging is locating the intermediate points between the main stations. Na? Centering is the keeping the center of this instrument exactly over the station point, right? Horizontal control, vertical control, right? So this contouring and this leveling will come under this vertical measurements or horizontal measurements, you can say. They will come under this vertical measurements, no? So it is a vertical control if you just observe, right? 18th question, select the answer of you. What is it? 18th question, the conventional symbols or signs shown below figure represents a, what it represents if you just observe? C, part set C, what is that? Okay, there is no bridge called as your canal bridge, right? Okay, either you call it as a road bridge or you call it as this railway bridge, right? So either you call it as this road bridge or you call it as this railway, because it is road bridge, right? Because if you just observe, this is your canal or this river, na? This is your canal or this river, you can say, but this is your road, na? So no, if it is a railway track, right, it will be shown like this, right? So but it is a road, means it is shown like this, right? So this is canal or a river is below and this road is above, right? So this is called as your road bridge only, right? We don't have a name called as your canal bridge, right? That you have to say it as which one? This road bridge or rail bridge only we have to say it, okay? Right? You have to be very, very careful, right? Which one? Road bridge you call it as, right? Road bridge or rail bridge only you call it as, okay? So 19th question, select the answer. I did not give the answer, don't worry. 19th question. 19th question, ready? Yeah. Any other answer, brothers? Okay, we'll check it. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following, right? While measuring a distance with a tape of length 10.005 meters, right? So the chain is too long, na? So no, the chain is too long. The distance is increased by 0.005 meters for each tape length, right? For each tape length, right, the distance will be increased by which one? This is 0. This is correct, na? This is incorrect or this is correct? This is correct statement, na? You are asked to identify this incorrect statement, na? You have to be careful. Incorrect is asked in the question, right? Not the correct one, right? First statement is correct only, no? Increase in temperature causes a tape to increase in length and the measured distance is too large. Measured distance will be too large, right? So measured distance will be too large or actual distance will be too large, right? Actual distance will be larger, na? So this is wrong, you can say, right? Actual distance will be larger than the measured or noted one, right? Yes, now you have to be careful. This is the incorrect statement, okay? You are asked to identify incorrect statement, right? Not the correct statement. You have to be careful. The straight distance between the end points of suspended tape is reduced by an amount called as a sag correction. It's not always. Originally, if it is a straight like this, we'll be having. But if it is subjected to this sag, what happens? Right? There will be reduction happens. Na? There will be reduction happens. Na? This sag correction is always negative. Correct only. 100-meter tape cross section 10 millimeter by this 0.25 millimeter stretched about 10 millimeter under this 5 kg pull, right? So which one is incorrect statement, right? Option B is only incorrect statement. Huh? You have to be careful, right? Got it now? Question number 20, select the answer of you. It is not the correct statement. It is the incorrect statement asked in the question. You have to be very, very careful in reading the question, okay? 20th question answer. Question number 20. C. Look. For the construction of a highway or railway, Longitudinal sections are required, cross sections are required, both longitudinal and cross sections are required, right? Both are required, na? So both are required, you can say, right? These longitudinal sections are required, along this also, these cross sections also will be required, na? Definitely. Then only we can identify it, how much amount of cutting and cross slope and all these things will be provided, right? Now 21st question. 21st question, right? Select the answer. Yeah, Vivek Kumar, good morning. Twenty-first question, 22nd question, select the answers, all of you. A. Yes, detailed plotting is generally done by, right? Radiation, traversing, resection, all of the above, right? Radiation, yes or no? Radiation, correct, right? Because all the details we can get it, right? Detailed plotting is generally done by radiation, traversing, resection, and all of the above, right? Which one? Which one? So if you are at the center, if you are at the center, so you will be going to all these points, and that is called as your radiation, right? You can go for each and everything. So that is called as your radiation, right? That is, this is your plane table. So intermediate locations also we can move, draw these details, yes or no? But in case of traversing, you are moving from this station to this station. So if any details are present intermediate, you cannot note them, yes or no? Resection is just which one? Locating this backward point, yes or missing point, right? Like that, you have to be careful. Now 22nd, see. The smallest division of this vernier is longer than, right? The smallest division of this vernier is longer than which one? This smallest division of this primary scale, main scale, right? Then what is that you can say? Then the vernier is known as, right? Which kind of vernier it is? It is your, which kind of vernier? Retrograde vernier, na? So no, retrograde vernier you can say, right? What does it mean? So what does it mean? You can say n divisions of this vernier are meeting this n plus 1 divisions of this main scale, right? So direct vernier, n divisions of this vernier are meeting that n minus 1 divisions of this main scale, right? Like that, is not? Like that. So 22C is correct, right? Now 23rd, select the answer. 23rd and 24th, select the answers, all of you. 23rd and 24th, write your answers, all of you, everyone. B. Is it so? It is the method of reversal. It is usually directed to examine whether a certain party is truly parallel or perpendicular to the other, make the erroneous relationship between the parts evident, and what is it, you can say both A and B, neither A and this nor B, right? What is that? You can say method of reversal. Both, right? Examine whether a certain party is truly parallel or not, right? Meaning of this statement A and statement B is approximately same, na? Meaning of this statements A and B is approximately same or not? Examine whether a certain party is truly parallel or perpendicular to other, right? So that we can check it, na? Whether they are parallel to each other or perpendicular to each other, means errors. Errors we can check, na? So no, errors we can check it. Both A and B are correct, na? Meaning of the statements A and B will be approximately same, na? Next, the line normal to the plumb line is known as, right? What is that line normal to the plumb line? If you just observe, which one? Horizontal line, level line, datum line, vertical line, right? What is that line? Tell me. 24th. Which line? That is your level line, right? You have to be careful, right? That is your level line, right? Not the horizontal line, right? It's not level line you are having, right? It's not level line or horizontal line. Tell me. Plumb line, if you just observe, na? So if you are having this instrument here, this is your plumb line, na? So, no, this is your plumb line, you can say, right? If your instrument is here also, right, what is it you can say, right? This is your plumb line, you can say, right? Is it? So now, which line is perpendicular? If you take this is the horizontal, na, right? This is your horizontal, right? Is it perpendicular? No, na? It is not perpendicular, na? Which one you can say, right? This line is perpendicular or not? This line is your perpendicular, na? This is your level line, na? Which one is perpendicular to this plumb line always? Level line is perpendicular to the plumb line always or not? Level line is perpendicular to the plumb line always, right? Like that, you can say it like that. Isn't it? Is it clear? 24th B is the answer, na? Right. 25, select the answer. 25, 26. Understood everyone now? 24th, 25th and 26th, select the answer, all of you. C. Okay. When leveling operation, when the instrument is being shifted, the staff must not be moved. So don't you move the staff? Yes, you will be moving the staff now. So is it moving the staff or you will not be moving the staff? Tell me. So here with the first instrument, we are taking these readings here and we are taking the readings here, we are taking the readings here, right? And this is your which one? This is foresight we are taking, right? And again when your instrument is shifted, right, we will be taking which one? This backside reading, right? Now, so this last staff location we should not shift, na? Yes or no? That is correct only. When the staff is being carried forward, the instrument must remain stationary, right? Staff is taken away, instrument remains stationary, right? Both are correct only, na? Both A and B are correct, that is C. Next. So both are correct, na? Yes, Abhishek, you have to be correct. 25th, both are correct. Both are correct, na? Both are correct, right? Both are correct only, right? When your instrument is here, na? So staff at A point, you take it first and staff at B point, right? Staff is carried forward. What is that we need to do? Instrument is kept at the same position, na? And instrument is shifted means staff must not be moved, na? This staff change point, this is taken as your change point. Like that. Got it? 25th is a C answer, na? The 2-point problem and the 3-point problem are the methods of, right? Yes, no? Yes, these are resection and orientation. Yes, resection and orientation. Right, like that. Yes, no? Resection, right. 27th and 28th. Select the answers, all of you. 27th and this 28th. 27th and 28th. Anyone? Yes, right. Two convex lens with shorter distance, right? Is it two convex lenses with short distance? No. Two concave lenses with a shorter distance, right? Is it so like that? No, no. One convex lens and one concave lens, short distance apart, right? So like that you are mentioning one convex and one concave. The plano convex, right? Two plano convex lenses, short distance apart, right? What is it you can say? Plano convex lens is the correct answer, na? That plano convex lens is the correct answer, right? With convex surface facing each other, right? This is correct, na? This is correct, right? Plano convex, right? One side plane, other side is convex, right? This is correct now. Question number 27, option D is correct, right? Question number 28, right? What is it you can say? Select the answer, everyone. Write the answer. So what is the meaning of this shimmering? Tell me. What is the meaning of this shimmering? Tell me. What is the meaning of this shimmering? Tell me. Shining, right? So timtimana, right? So what is that? You know this, right? Timtimana means in Hindi. What is the meaning of this timtimana? Means it will be shining, shining, glittering, glittering, na? Yes or no? So a line of sight is kept as high above the ground surface as possible to minimize the error in the observation angle due to this shimmering also, na? Both shimmering and this horizontal refraction, right? Yes, no? Yeah. Book back. Okay. So that is timtiman also means same meaning or different meaning? Is it correct only? As per as I know, is it that is also correct or wrong? It will be what you can say, right? Shining, glittering, right? So whenever any same na? Okay, okay. So it is that effect also we have to identify, and refraction we have to identify, and this shimmering also we have to identify. You can say, right? Now 29th, select the answer. 29th and 30th question, select the answers, all of you. 29th, that is 29th. इसका PDF group में डाल दीजिएगा. Actually, I have given for the plus students, those who attended the previous classes, I have given this PDF, right? Okay, just ask me, I'll give it. Okay, don't worry. Surveying 770 PV, 770 practice questions PDF I have shared. Now, do you remember that? 770 questions, 770 questions, practice questions, self practice questions PDF I have shared. You remember that? That only. From that only I am discussing this. If you don't have that, you just ask me, I'll share it. Okay, don't worry. If yeah. So what is it? Because if D is the steady distance and F is the focal length, right? F is the focal length and I is the distance between the object and this vertical axis of this tachometer. Then the multiplying constant. What is that multiplying constant? You can say K is, right? What is that multiplying constant? K, if you just observe it, K is nothing but your which one? This F by I na. So what is that? C you can say additive constant is F plus D na. Yes, additive constant is F plus D. You can say right like that. Is it? So multiplying constant is F by R. Additive constant is F plus D. Right. Now tell me what is the question at 30th question? 30th question at Mahesh answered DA. Any other answer by others? The desired sensitivity of the bubble tube with the 2 mm divisions is 30 seconds, right? The radius of this bubble tube shall be. What is the radius of this bubble tube? Sensitivity of this bubble tube, right? What is the formula we have to use for the sensitivity of the bubble tube? Tell me. Anyone tell me, right? What is the formula for the sensitivity of this bubble tube? All of you? What is the sensitivity of this bubble tube formula? Everyone? Anyone remember the formula for the sensitivity of the bubble tube? All of you? Someone? Tell me the formula. You remember or not? Is 30? Same question was there in GATE. Okay. But this kind of questions are possible in ESE also. No? This chota bacha questions, right? Yes, yes. What is the sensitivity? L by NS. Okay. L by NS you are having, right? L by NS. And also what is it you can say? L by NS, right? S by ND. And also what is that another one? What is another formula? NL by R, na? NL by R, right? Any other formula? Like that we are having now, right? Which formula we have to use now here? Which formula we have to use now? So this is your L by NS formula we have to L by NL by R formula we have to use it now. So that alpha is what, this formula and this formula we have to use, right? Yes, na? Because what is that, you can say alpha is what, 30 seconds, na? That 30 seconds will be equal to, right? N is what, 1 division, na? With the 2 millimeter division. At 1 division, a length of this division is 2 millimeter divided by this radius, right? You are asked to identify, right? How can you get this radius now? How can you get this radius, right? That is radius in meters you want, na? So whatever that you are getting in millimeters you are getting, na? Yes, na? What is that? So what is that value, L by R, right? How much is that radius you are getting? Tell me, all of you. So radius is in meters means, right, that is your 10 power minus 3, na, son. So it will go to that. So what is that radius you'll be getting? How many meters you'll be getting? Tell me. What is that value finally? It is correct or wrong? It is correct or wrong, everyone? This type of solving is correct or wrong? All of you. Anyone tell me sensitivity of this bubble tube, that is correct or wrong? Tell me, all of you. Somebody. Someone tell me the answer. Is correct or wrong? Sensitivity of this bubble tube. Hello, someone. Yes, right. Yes, yes. That is correct. Na 206265 is missing. Na, son. Which one is missing? You can see if you just update. That is your 206265 is missing. Na, yes, no. That 206265 is missing. Na, right. 206265 is missing. You can say, right. Yes, correct. Right. Part. That is absolutely correct. You can say, yes, na. 206265, right? 206265, right? How can you get that? Where is the 206265 comes to be picture, comes into picture? Forgot that alpha value. How can you get this alpha value? Remember this equation or not? So that alpha equal to which one? This S by Nd into S by Nd into which one? This 206265 na? 206265, right? Then only you will be getting this in seconds na? S by Nd into the 206265, right? Then you will be getting in seconds, you can say, right? Because that is in radians na? Yes or no? That is in radians or not? Yes. Yes, yes, right. That is in radians na? Right? This you will be getting if you are taking directly like this. S by Nd, NL by R, you will be getting in radius, na? So now you will be getting in radians, you can say, just right? Is right? Radians, right? So here it is also equal to, how can you get it? How can you get this? NL by R also, na, right? That is alpha equal to that NL by R also, that is in radians, na? Into which one? This 206265, na? 206265, right? Isn't that 206265? You can say, just right? Is it? So when you multiply with that, right, what is it? You can say that R will be equal to how much? So N 1 division, right? L is what? 2 millimeter into that 206265, right? Divided by which one? This is 30, right? So this will be getting in millimeters, right? If you multiply with this 10 power minus 3, you will be getting in meters, right? So tell me how many meters you will be getting it finally? How many meters you are getting this value, all of you? So this is wrong, na, right? That you will be getting in a radians or not? So no, that you will be getting in radians, na? You have to be careful. What is that? How much is that value now you are getting? Tell me, simplify and tell me, all of you. How much is that value you are getting, all of you, everyone? Which option? So approximately, right, that what is that you can say? This is your 2 into 20 means 2 into 20 means, right, 40, 41 approximately, right? 41 by this 3 will be how much? 41 by this 3 will be how much? 10 power minus 3 means, right, like this, okay? 10 power minus 3 means, right, what is it? It will come 2 into that 206 point this 265 and divided by this 3, you can say, right? And 30, one decimal if you just shift it now. So 2 by 3 times which one? This 20 point this is 662. So 2 by 3 times means 0.678. 0.67 times is 20.362 is nothing but your A only the option is no. So lesser than 20, what is the answer nearby? 13.75 only no? Like that you have to get it, right? You have to be careful, right? 13.75 meters, right? That value will be getting in millimeters, so multiply with 10 power minus 3 to get it in meters, right? Got it now? 31st question, right? Tell me the answer for this 31st question. Select the answer of you. So that directly in which one? Radians. If you are using this formula, this alpha you will be getting in radians. Here this is in seconds, right? You can convert that as which one? 30 divided by which one? 30 divided by this 206265 if you write it now. 206265 if you write it now, then it is correct. Okay, then it is correct, right? Because this formula is for radians. You convert that seconds to radians, that is important, right? Okay. Right, okay. 38th question, select the answer of you. 38th question, what is that? 31st question, 31st question and 32nd question, select the answer everyone. Thirty-one B. Subtens bar is an instrument used for, right? What is the purpose of this subtens bar? You can say leveling, measuring the horizontal distance in plane areas, right? Measuring the horizontal distance in these undulated areas, right? Measurement of these angles, right? Measuring the horizontal distance in which one? This undulated areas, no? Undulated areas or this plane areas? Tell me. Subtens bar method. Subtens bar for this undulated areas or plane areas? Tell me which one it is used. First of all, what is the subtens bar method? Tell me. What is it? First of all, what is the subtens bar? Tell me. What is it? It is used for measuring the horizontal and vertical distances both, na? It can measure this horizontal and this vertical distances both, right? Subtens bar can measure this horizontal and vertical distances both, means you can calculate this vertical distances, right? Where chaining is impossible, right? Where chaining is impossible means that why chaining is impossible? Why chaining is impossible, right? Because of these undulated areas only that chaining is impossible, na? Because of this undulated only that chaining is impossible, na? There you have to go for, right? Is na? Option B is correct or option C is correct? Now tell me. Yeah, used in tachymetry only, right? What is it you can say? Angle we are measuring, this horizontal distance we are calculating, na? So why we are calculating horizontal distance? Why we are not measuring? Because chaining is impossible, right? Why chaining is impossible? Because of this undulated areas only, and because of this undulated areas only, right? Which one is correct? D is correct. C is correct. You have to be careful. Okay. Okay. Horizontal and vertical distances, right? Are you going to measure these bearings with that? Are you going to measure the included angles with that? No, no, no. Right? Horizontal distances only mainly. Okay. Undulated area, right? Where chaining is not possible, there you have to go for this method, na? If chaining is not possible, why we go for this method? We don't go for this method, right? Yes, na? Now, volume of this earthwork may be calculated by, what is that? Volume of this earthwork may be calculated by mean area method, end area method, trapezoidal method, right? All the above, right? Which one? All the above, no? All are correct or not? No, 33. Select the answer for 33 question, everyone. Cos square theta, those are okay. Cos square theta, sin square theta, right? Like that. The 2 came here, that is a timing mistake. 33 question. This is 33 question, right? Not 32. Okay, yeah, 32D only, 33 question. Answer. What is it? Here, whenever it is that the tachyometric formula for this horizontal distance using the horizontal sides can also be suitable for employed for this inclined sides through this theta multiplying, right? So what is it you can say? This is multiplying the constant by this cos square theta, na? Right? Why? If you are just going for this, right? If you are just going for this, na, right? What is that you can say? Right? This is your yes, na? This is your yes. You can say this is your yes, right? Here you are having in this manner, na? This is your L, right? But we want L or we want this D, you can say. We want this D, na? We want this D, right? What is the D? You can say D is nothing but your L cos theta, na? What is the L? You can say L is nothing but your Ks, right? Yeah, Ks, which one this? Ks, which one this? Ks, which one? L equal to K cos theta, right? What is it you can say now? Tell me. The constant through the multiplying, right? Multiplying a constant fully or multiplying constant only, right? Multiplying constant, it will come to be which one? If it is like this, if it is vertical like this, again that cos theta will come, right? Ks cos theta will come. Ks cos theta plus this C, you can say, right? So then if you are multiplying again that with the cos theta, right? What is it you can say? Ks cos square theta plus this C cos theta, na? So no, Ks cos square theta plus this C cos theta, right? Multiplying constant only we are multiplying with which one? Multiplying constant only we are multiplying it with which one? This cos square theta, right? You have to be careful, right? All constants we are multiplying with this cos square theta, or only the multiplying constants? Only the multiplying constant K we are multiplying with the cos square theta, na? So like that. So pick up the correct statement. Pick up the correct statement from the following, right? Question number 34. Tell me the answer, everyone. So I'll close after this, so that approximately 30 plus questions got completed in today's class. Okay, already 9:33. Tomorrow I'll take which one? This is surveying. Sorry, transportation I'll take in tomorrow's class. Thirty-fourth question. What is the answer? The direction of this plumb lines suspended at different points in a survey line are not strictly parallel. They are parallel plumb lines. This is your plumb line we are having, na? This is your plumb line we are having, right? This is your plumb line we are having, right? Are they parallel exactly? They are not parallel, na? Yes, this is correct. The surveys of small extent, the effect of curvature may be ignored. Yes, for small surveys, na? So no, for small area surveys, so this the effect of curvature comes into picture. No effect of curvature, right? Yes, correct. In surveys of large extent, the effect of curvature and depth must be considered. Yes, that is correct. Right? Option D will be the correct answer, na? All options will be correct, right? Like that. Is it clear, everyone? Right? Yeah, those who want, just ask me for this PDF. That 770 questions PDF I have shared, right? If you want, I'll be sharing that also, right? Don't worry. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'll be closing the session. Almost 30 questions we are done. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.